is rising, and I've been cold for so long. One touch and we're igniting, setting fire to it all. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think that we can stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down. You know these flames ain't going out.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another hair tutorial. Please subscribe and thumbs up if you love this kind of videos. I'm going to start by parting my hair in the middle. I just added water on my hair. I washed and detangled my hair earlier today. I found out that my hair lay very flat when I applied gel on a soaking wet hair. I'm using Eco Styler gel to tame my hair down, and I'm going to do a low ponytail today. So I'm going to start by applying the gel from the back using my fingers to further detangle my hair while applying the gel on my hair. Here I'm brushing my hair down with a brush, and I'm going to hold my hair together with a ponytail holder. And I just realized that the parting is not straight enough, so I'm going to straighten it. I'm also going to apply more gel for more hold. I need that extra hold because my hair is not long enough for a low ponytail.
Don't think that we can stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn it down. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground.
Now I'm just going to lay my edges. I always love to comb it out first so I know what I'm working with. And I'm using this Got2b glue gel to lay it down with my pink brush. I'm using 2 scarves today. It's going to help my hair lay flatter when I use 2 scarves so that I don't get any bump.
It is rising, and I've been cold for so long. One touch and we're igniting, setting fire to it all.
The hair I'm using today is Q pre-stretched braiding hair in 72 inches. Color 1B. It comes in 3 rolls and I'm going to use all 3. It's always easier to detangle the hair you're using before you braid. That way you don't get tangled up while braiding. So I'm going to put the hair on a doorknob and braid. I did not divide the hair into 3 equal parts. I don't know if I need to do that. I'm not a braider. But I divided one part into 2 and the other part I left it like that. So it's easier for me to do that so I don't get tangled up because I don't like it when the hair just get tangled up. It gets on my nerves. That's what I did to avoid that. Anyway, I'm just going to braid the hair all the way down until I get to the end. I'm just going to leave some hair out because I'm going to coil it later. I'm using this Freetress beach wave hair, and I'm going to add it to the hair to give it that look that I'm going for, the boho look. I added too much coily hair to the braid at first, but I had to reduce it later on. I think it looks better with few coily hair on the braids. I braided the ends and placed it in a hot water. I wanted the ends to be coily, but when I unraveled it, it wasn't as full as I wanted it, so I added more coily hair with my crochet needle. now I'm just attaching a hairband to the braided hair. This will help me attach it to my hair. This is the braided ponytail. I love the way it's looking. So now I'm just going to attach it to my hair and make sure I hide my natural hair so that it's not visible to the eyes. You want to make sure your natural hair is not showing, and I'm going to wrap it with an extra hair to make it look neater. I opted out for this method because I'm going to use this ponytail several times before I throw it away. As a matter of fact, I've used this hair like 3 times already. I usually take it down when I'm done for the day. I don't sleep on it. So yeah, so it's still looking really good.
'Cause baby, our love is gonna burn it down. You know these days ain't going out. This building is coming to the ground. Don't think I wanna stop it now. 'Cause baby, our love is gonna burn it down. Burn it down.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Please support me by subscribing to this channel. Comment down below. Just let me know what you think. Let me know if I did good. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.
Is coming to the ground. Don't think that we can stop it now. 'Cause baby, our love is gonna burn it down.